Jiffy Quick Junk. Today, milady brings home from the market her pre-cooked dinner of filet mignon, French fried potatoes, and asparagus hollandaise, all on an aluminum plate, which she pops under the broiler for 15 minutes, and her dinner is ready. With it, she drinks her decaffeinated instant coffee, sweetened with calorie-free saccharin. I'm not sure what's going on here. While waiting for her dinner to heat, she decides to have a daiquiri. No time to squeeze limes, so she takes a can of frozen lime juice, or perhaps lemon juice, shakes it up with her rum and maybe a bit of sugar, and there is her synthetic daiquiri. Ugh! Ye shades of constant dude, these words are weird. Constant ribblegow? Constant ribblegow? Wild words. Perhaps it is as well that he died in time to escape this final insult to a noble drink. I don't know what that means. Jesus. And believe it or not, there are at least 2 rum manufacturers who, in the interest of promoting the sale of their products among those who are too lazy to make a real drink, recommend this shortcut in their advertising. At this point, I suggest that you reread what I said on pages 97 and 98 about using only fresh fruit, freshly squeezed. And along the same lines, perhaps I should warn against trying to keep a cocktail in the icebox. One writer once said that you can no more keep a martini in the refrigerator than you can keep a kiss in the refrigerator. He might well have expanded this to include all cocktails, at least all that are made with aromatic wines, such as vermouth or with fruit juices, and old-fashioned perhaps could be kept in the refrigerator for a reasonable length of time. But not a Manhattan or a daiquiri, or a White Lady, or a Jack Rose. Anyways, regarding fruits, I would buy them fresh, squeeze them fresh, use them fresh, and I might well have added to this resultant cocktails, drink them fresh. Anyways, with all that, we're going to do a daiquiri. The one that we're doing is going to be called a Pineapple Bacardi Daiquiri. I'm making 3 of these. I'll just tell you the recipe for one, and I'm going to be doing more than that. So we start off with 2 ounces of the Bacardi. That's a big one. It's rum, by the way. Then we're going to do a teaspoon, just a teaspoon, of pineapple juice. Oh god, Nightmare Alley. Then, the juice of a half of a small lime. Oh god, squirted me right in the eye.
Don't you hate when that happens?
Should note, I'm adding ice. So I would bet money that this would be amazing if you blended this with ice. It would probably be really like a daiquiri.
Yeah.
It's I don't know how your upper body can be so stiff. But he seems it's
5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah.
Oh, that's it. Okay, that's it. That's it. Oh, no, that looks pretty good. It's foamy.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. This is the Pineapple Business Daiquiri. Pineapple Bacardi Daiquiri.
It's not terrible.
For the woman on the go.
It's crazy because the pineapple juice does not sweeten it quite enough. It's good, but it's such a low amount compared to everything else.
Is it the lime that's that tart?
Yeah. And
I don't want it sweet. I think it's pretty good.
Pretty good. You like it that way? I think.
Is there coconut, a hint of coconut or something?
No, I think that's just because the pineapple's there, so your brain's filling in the coconut.
It's
Yeah.
like pina colada.
Yeah, I guess this is super close to pina colada.
Yeah,
I guess so.
Without coconut.
Yo, yeah, if you did add cream of coconut in here, you would basically have a pina colada. It's pretty good. Personally, I feel like most people would want it a little bit sweeter. I like it also not super sweet, but
I like this, and I feel like I messed up last time by saying I would just add a bit of seltzer to this.
Oh, this one you wouldn't. I would if you added seltzer to this, it would just dilute everything.
And give you a tummy ache.
True, yeah. Anyways,
I got diarrhea.
The daiquiris are all great. They don't give you diarrhea most of the time, and
unless you have IBS, then you just have diarrhea.
Yeah, it's just happening probably.
It's just part of your life.
Yeah, your life.
Thug life.
That's a bumper sticker I have.
Yeah, sorry. I was gonna say like and subscribe, but now I'm just gonna say sorry.
And subscribe anyway, out of pity.